Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. I had to go pick up a tool and happen to have some handy coupons from Northern Hydraulics, so I got a deal on it. Always get a deal. But I went and got myself there in Ironton 8-inch bench mount drill press. So I'm going to unpack this and put it together quick so we can all see how it goes. Comes with the handy dandy manual. Ironton 8-inch benchtop drill press. Then these we have several different parts to put together. So we'll just start over here in this one. Right here we start out with the base, bottom. We've got the tray that goes around the shaft. Here's the shaft. This guy's got to be mounted. Now the chuck, key for it. Key for the chuck. We've got the chuck. We've got a bunch of bolts. Now then these three have to be for the bottom. Oh, no, they go this way from the top down. Let's thread it. Be sure to grab a wrench and snug these up, which I'll do in a few minutes. But until then, we will keep installing the system. Right here, got the main shaft, and we've got where the chuck goes. I think I'd rather mess with that chuck first. Get this guy out of here, see what we can do with him. Baby's in there. Okay, well, before we can put the head on, we got to put the table on. Put that on, let that drop. Just sit down there. And now, guy ain't coming off. I'm going to put it on, and it's got bolts to tighten up right there. There's set screws anyway. There we go. Now they send you a handy dandy Allen wrench. I'm going to try to center this fairly good. I'm going to tighten up my set screws. Both sides. Okay, we got that tight. These things got all kinds of knobbies you like to work with, so a matter of where do the knobs go. You gotta go in one of these. if you notice, these knobs have a little flat part there, so when you get them in there, you can tighten them. You get them on nice and tight. Just do it hand tight for now, but I'll come back and tighten them in a few minutes. All right, we've got it installed. It's ready to go. So why don't we just plug it in and make sure it works? This guy back. There we go, and voila. We got her working, we got her spinning. I think we're ready to go. Shut it off. Table up to a good height, and we're all done. This key's got to stay with it at all times. Don't ever want to lose that. There you go. The unboxing of an Ironton 8-inch benchtop drill press on the turbine guy.